What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Got a new one here for us today. My uncle stopped by, my mom's brother. I don't see him but a couple of times a year. He's a retired painter, and right before he retired, back in 2001, he decided he was going to buy him a new truck. And this is it, a 2002 Chevy 1500 short bed, regular cab Silverado with four-wheel drive. This is a honey of a truck. I mean, it hadn't been worked. It hadn't towed nothing. That I don't think. I know he doesn't own a boat. He might have a small utility trailer. But it ain't been worked. You can see it's just got a little bit of scratching here and there. But the original bed rhino liner in there is still looking good. This thing is straight as an arrow, man. Nice truck. Got a nice set of Falcon Wild Peak tires. Yeah, buddy, she is a pretty truck. Let's pop the hood. Looks like we got the tan interior. And under the hood, we either got the it's the good old 4.8. Y'all, I love this motor. I love the 4.8. We got a work truck at work that had close to 400,000 miles that had this motor before one of the guys wrecked it, and it would absolutely haul butt. It felt quicker than the 5.3 to me. Interior's pretty clean. Look how the Silverado has kind of faded away. But the interior's pretty clean. My uncle's an ex-smoker, so there's a few little cigarette burns in here. But he's been quit smoking for several years because he had a heart attack. And the doctors told him, said, if you come back in here again, you're going to die. So I think that scared him finally. He's about 70 years old, so he finally put down them weeds. I have no idea how many miles this thing has on it. It's got a few. 163, 469. And man, listen to that truck. Ooh, let's take a little ride. Boy, she is smooth as silk. He dealer maintains this thing. Needs some wash fluid. He dealer maintains this truck, takes good care of it. Oh man, it's just as tight. Oh, God, this thing is great. So, he said he bought this in 2001, and it's an 02 model. So, he bought it late 01, and he's the only owner, never wrecked. Look how clean it is. Got cold air. It's got the dash isn't peeling. It's got just the options you want. Power windows, power locks, cruise, tilt. Nothing you don't need. I love a regular cab, four-wheel drive pickup truck. Short bed or long. Short beds are getting harder to find. Long beds are still out there, but just finding a regular cab truck, period, is getting hard as hell to find. But this is a gem of a truck. Just beautiful. that side of my family, my mom's side, that uncle, he has 2 sons, and they both are Silverado guys too. And one of his sons, they're my first cousins, one of his sons has a 1996, if you can remember that body style, Chevy 1500, just like this truck with the Z71 package. White, regular cab, short bed. He got it when he turned 16 in 96, and he still has it. Can you believe that? He's still got it. He's bought 2 or 3 new trucks since then. He's got a new one now, but he's still got his very first Z71 truck. He's put it away in the garage. He drove it. I mean, it's got over 100,000 miles. I think he told me it had about 140 or 150, but he has slowly, within the past couple of years, started kind of restoring it, I guess you could say. He's had to have a little bit of paint work done to good old General Motors fading white paint. He had to have a little bit of engine work done. I think he had some valve seals and valve cover gaskets and a couple of things, maybe a new timing chain. He told me, but he's got it jammed up, looking good. It's nice. He says he likes to, if he ever takes his Harley Davidson to Bike Week, he likes to tow it with that truck down to Daytona, Florida. Y'all, this truck is tight as new. Listen to it. Very few rattles. It feels so tight in the steering wheel. You'd never know this truck was 19 years old. You can tell it's a short wheelbase, though. Kind of hopped across those railroad tracks. Alright. Let's get us a little pull. Get us a pull. The 4.8 V8. One of my favorite engines. Holy cow. Well, we hooked. Ha ha. Woo. She's got to go. Yes, she does. Quite impressive. Y'all comment below. I don't remember the specs of a 4.8. Circa 2001, 2002. I'm sure it was over 200 horsepower. I'm just going to throw a wild ass guess out there and say, I don't know, 2.25, 230. Probably torque, I don't know, 350. I really, honestly, I do not have a clue. I just know I love this motor, and it's damn near as strong as the 5.3 and the 6.0. I mean, it's a great engine, and it's a perfect size for a regular cab, short bed truck. Plenty of power, good miles per gallon, I'm sure. Just neat. Construction going on here. Had to let off. We got road construction ahead. Had to let off. Guys, I hope everyone's doing well, staying safe, staying healthy. I hope your family's healthy. I hope everybody's doing the right thing. Social distancing, staying at home if you can afford to. My ass can't, so I have to go to work. But I literally go to work and I go the hell home and take the hottest shower you've ever seen as soon as I walk in the door. For some reason, we're extremely busy right now. I mean, it's the craziest thing. I mean, before coronavirus, we were kind of slow and off target for the year, and now we're slammed. It's crazy how stuff like that works. But hope everybody's taking care of themselves. I appreciate you watching. Please comment. Please subscribe. Throw a like down there. Also, again, what are the specs on this 4.8? I don't remember. So someone throw that down there in the comments. I appreciate it. Y'all have a great day. Take care of yourself. We'll see you next time. Peace.